Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a listing on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Craigslist website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account option and using your login credentials. After logging in, simply click on the post option from the home page and you will be able to create a new listing. Just go ahead and select which kind of listing you want to offer and then choose the further category. After choosing your categories, you can simply enter your posting title for the advertisement that you want to post, followed by your city or neighborhood. Then enter your postal code followed by the description of your listing. After entering all of these details, you can simply choose whether you want to show your contact information followed by whether you want to show your phone number. If you choose to show it, simply enter your phone number, your extension and your contact name and choose whether you want to receive phone calls and text SMS. If you don't, then you can simply uncheck this box and then click on the continue button. After you click on continue, you will be allowed to post some images. After posting your images, you can click on continue once again and then you will find the publish button which you can use to publish your listing. And there you have it. That is how you can make a listing on the Craigslist website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.